Hey guys, welcome to the channel, The X-Wing. My name is James and welcome to an update of the formal train crossing at Webster Crossing. Today we don't have our microphones on me. I do have them with me, but I decided we'll see how this goes without the microphone. So we're going to have a look at the surrounding changes and what's going on, and and maybe, just maybe, we might get an aerial view. So no further ado guys, let's roll the intro. Okay, welcome back from the intro, and yep, there's definitely a few changes here at the formal crossing. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the camera around, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me. Hopefully. Now, the previous episode we did the path here. We had a walk on the path, and the last time we had a bit of a look here. So you know what that's all about, and they put a temporary path here. Eventually, I think they're going to have to probably put concrete here eventually, there for that. But anyway, look at the changes here at the formal crossing. And this has all been laid asphalt. This has all been taken care of. I came down here a few days ago. They were ripping up the old road. And I thought I was going to come down on the Friday, but had too much on, so I decided to come down here on a Saturday. And this is what's being done. The new curve of the road goes right around, as you can tell with the cars, and yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? By my surprising, I'm just going to go on the road here because yeah, there's no path there now because the path's underneath. So the formal train crossing used to be right here, no longer here, and so yeah, so that's the end of that little caper. So you cannot get through to the other side anymore. That's all blocked up with the cars over that side. It's actually not too bad how they've done it here now. I reckon they would have had to put some train tracks down at the time, like brand new ones. But yeah, a bit of smoke over there, isn't there? I don't know what the go is there. Anyway, so yeah, it's basically done. So you no longer cannot get through here. I must say, I'll just have a little bit of a walk down here. They've got the steam train special coming up in a few weeks' time, and it could be actually a great view, seeing the steam train coming right through here. It might be something for all the steam train buffs. I've got other plans for that one that's going up to Morwell, so I won't be filming it here. I've got other plans, but so yeah, it's going to be a quick episode here. It was just basically a bit of a quick up to date on what's going on here. Look, there's a train coming across now. Goes that train going out to East Pakenham, and so I'm filming this on the 1st of November, so it's about 3 weeks after the final closure, which you would have seen on my channel, the end of an era clip. And yes, I must say it's very interesting. They've left the hill here, so it's a bit of an increase of the hill, and then down. They've actually got a speed hump all the way down there. So yeah, so definitely a few changes here. Obviously they haven't done way over there yet, and as I was saying to a friend of mine the other day, I'll do a report down here, and then that might be it for the year for a little while, until they have a bit more to talk about, because over the other side there's really not much to talk about. And I mean, yes, I could go over the other side and have a look over that side, but it'd be no different to what it is here. We might yeah, we might get the drone up, and so this would be the first time on any of my any of my videos that I've incorporated a drone video into it. And so we'll get the drone up, have a look, the aerial shots, and then probably wrap it up from there. And as I said, yeah, there's still a bit of work to do here, and got a lot of work to do. The new underpass scheduled to be open in 2026. I reckon, to be really honest with you guys, I think it'll be about this time next year it will be open. It could be a little bit earlier, but I reckon about this time next year it will be open all the way over there. So there's a bit of smoke going on over there, and I can hear some sirens, so I'm tipping that might be a bit of a fire. So we might get the drone up and have a bit of a look at that, as well as the formal crossing, and yeah, and we'll wrap it up from there. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that walk, aerial, and a bit of a drive through. Yeah, it's definitely different, and this will be my last one for a while. I'll be doing down here. Probably won't do any more down here until about maybe February next year, in 2026. So we'll see what happens. And thanks very much for joining. And as I always say, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the X-Wing. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video content. And always press like and comment and share. So until next time guys, cheers.